Hey guys, Xiaomi Mi A2 launch is finally confirmed. The latest info is that the global product launch of Xiaomi Mi A2 will be on July 24th at Madrid, Spain. And not only that, a recent leak on a Polish website reveals that the Mi A2 Lite will also join the regular Mi A2 on its trip to the European countries. Do you want to know the specs of the Xiaomi Mi A2 and Mi A2 Lite? The retail website listings of two upcoming mid-range Xiaomi smartphones reveal certain specifications and design. So let's jump in details that what we can get to see at the July 24th launch event. And first, have a look specs of Xiaomi Mi A2 Lite. Xiaomi Mi A2 Lite resembles a lot with Redmi 6 Pro. It will appear to have the same size display notch, a 5.84-inch 19:9 display, and will have an antenna on the back panel. Moreover, Xiaomi Mi A2 Lite will come with a 4000 mAh battery with a Snapdragon 625 processor alongside 4GB of RAM and 64GB of inbuilt storage. Xiaomi Mi A2 Lite will sport a vertically stacked 12 plus 5 megapixel camera combo on the back and a 5 megapixel selfie shooter. And also, maybe this device will come with the Android One program. Now let's talk about Xiaomi Mi A2. So it will sport a 5.99-inch Full HD Plus display with an 18:9 aspect ratio and no display notch. Xiaomi Mi A2 will be offered in gold, blue or black and will have at least 4 different storage variants, which is massive update over the single choice of 4/64GB configuration the Mi A1 offered. The entry-level model will be offering 4GB of RAM alongside 32GB of internal storage. Moreover, it isn't enough for you, then 64GB of storage will also be available. To compete with high-end phones, there will also be one other option with 128GB of internal storage. Xiaomi Mi A2 will come with 12 plus 20 megapixel dual rear camera setup and a 20 megapixel front-facing snapper. The device will feature the Snapdragon 660 by Qualcomm. It will run Android 8.1 Oreo, although an update to Android 9.0 will hopefully arrive shortly after its announcement because of the Android One. The 32GB of Xiaomi Mi A2 and the 64GB of variant of the Xiaomi Mi A2 Lite have the same price tag of Poland zloty 999, which roughly equivalent to about $270. So yeah, that's all about the Xiaomi Mi A2 and Mi A2 Lite. Now let me know what do you guys think about it, and please make sure to subscribe for more upcoming videos, and as always, I will catch you guys in the next one. See you soon.